your former boss, Norm, and I thought maybe you and I could try to do something different.
Okay, sir. I'm always ready for a change.
Well, from now on, what I'd like you to do is absolutely nothing.
I'm sorry, sir. Did you say absolutely nothing?
Nothing. And just all I need from you is just be at the desk at 9 a.m., do nothing, and then leave at 5.
You mean I don't see clients?
Nothing.
I don't have to do field work?
No.
Sir, I don't mean to suck up, because I don't suck up, but I believe that there must be an angel missing from heaven today. So.
Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Good pre-sunrise on this foggy, somewhat mild, sticky, seasonably warm temperatures on a 62-degree, high overcast, relatively humid with a 63-degree dew point on this early, but approaching mid-October already, if you can believe that, in mid-autumn in the greater Clinton Township metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan. This is Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for the one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and coming soon to VGCInews.com, Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, technical analysis, technical trading classes, right? If you want to be a technical trader, Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing is making that possible, cheap and affordable for all, right? All you have to do is go on to VGCInews.com. Go there now, scan the site. There's content on there already on the news department, right? But get familiar with the site. And as by hopefully by, as we approach the 20th of October, when there were no, fan mail will be tossed, about that time. It looks to be about the time that I start having some trading alerts going on. There are trading alerts will come up sooner. They might be $3 to $5, but there's some phenomenal trades that are setting up right now, and I want to get these trading alerts out to you. So they might be $5, and they're going to be monthly patterns of trading alerts where the price might be going in 6 months, a year, right? Or if there's an imminent trading alert, one that there could be a 30 to 50% pump as it breaks a certain pad. Those are going to be going on there. But the in-depth, how to be a technical trader and what that means and how you implement that into a strategy and then put it on into the field and into practice, those classes from Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing will be up there soon by the 20th of October, right? But right now, we're going to look at some coins. The fucking coins, right? Let's go look at the coins. What do we got, y'all? No. We looked at some of the big boys earlier. We'll go Matic. People seem to like the Matic, right? We'll go look at some fucking Matic for you. See that in the Matic? What we got going on here? We got to zoom out to the daily time frame, right? You got to see what the fuck's going on with this coin. Yeah, now we see what's going on here. We got a nice consolidation, right? So, if I was to look at this as a swing trader or a holder, you could say what you got going on here is a big consolidation where that's your upper resistance. And then if you take that and clone it, which I don't want to do because I'm driving, and use it on the flip side facing it up, you would have some kind of what looks like a symmetrical triangle forming. You know what? We'll do that for you. This is what would be a trading alert, right? Or not a trading alert, but this would be a I guess a trading alert because it would be a technical trading setup, a super simple way to, if you want to trade technically, this is an easy way to show you with one coin just up here at a topping pattern. That looks like a classic double top topping pattern, right? But it looks like you could be forming outside the wicks. I like to use, if we're in the weekly time frame, when you have big wicks, I like using candle bodies because it gives you a better idea. If you close north of one of these lines, like say, let's get my industry exclusive perching tool out, right? This is just a super simple and easy brief snippet on what my technical classes are going to be all about and how to be a technical trader. So you got your descending support, your uptrending resistance, right? And then I don't like to use the wicks because this is just overhead heavy sell pressure. Now, if you broke above this when you're pumping and closed in the weekly time frame, a candle body up there above that, then you're very bullish. But if you're in a monthly way up here and then you sell back way down there, it's just heavy volatility, but there's heavy sell pressure, but then a little bit less because you're closer to the candle body, right? Same thing down here. That was a big wick, just a fake out. You got bought back in, and by the end of the month, you're almost going back into the positive, right? So this is your upper resistance. This is your lower support. 1, 1, 2, 2 confirms the pattern. This is a continuation pattern, a neutral continuation pattern. They break up and they break down about equally, right? That's why it's a neutral continuation pattern. See what I'm saying? So if you wanted to technically trade this, you buy support, you sell resistance, and then if you want to play a breakout, you got to play when it breaks north of the pattern, but you got to look at other things: volume, price move on the breakout, does it confirm back test, hold support, right? There's a lot of things to go into to try to make sure it's not just a fake out, right? But that's a brief way to see trading technically. Super simple and easy. You can make this with this ugly chart. But in my classes, they're beautiful, organized, super simple and easy to follow along and to use as a guide to trade on into the future, to trade the profitability and the high stop, audible, fleece heist and shiest, the fleece heisters and shysters, the criminal gangsta cartel, yes, the Ohio State University, brother, that manipulate the market and have infiltrated the trading markets to knock down and beat down the retail investor. But at Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing and VGCInews.com, we help you sidestep audible to profitability in a probability-based, super simple and easy technical trading strategy, right? So that's with Matic right there, and you can see, so based on what I just told you, right? And these charts will all be available soon. These charts, the fucking charts, right? So my next point of upper resistance would be, as you can see, I already have this somewhat starting to mark out for you. Try to make this nice. You can see major support down there. Then you got your upper resistance way up here. See that? See how that's going? So if you hit that, that'd be a sell point until the pattern breaks, right? The classes will show you how to break that down further. That's just a introductory beginner for dummies. How to figure out to grab the line tool with an arrow or the perching tool and to diagnose, sniff out, and detect that. Super simple and easy, right? Now if we go over to some of these altcoins, fuck out of there. Let's go to some altcoins. Get the fuck out of there. People like the altcoins. Let's zoom out to a farther out time frame. And what do we got here? Oh, the key. Ooh, this thing's pumping. I like it now. Is it pumping? No, what's going on with this? A month. It is pumping. Did that just do that in like 2 days? September. No. Why do I feel like the key? Oh, this is Theta. Oh, Theta. That thing pumped like a motherfucker. But that was back then. So since you guys brought this coin to my attention, was back there. So this thing's just been crashing, right? So Theta obviously had a phenomenal pump, right? And this down here, as we diagnose, sniff out, and detect, would be the shithouse. Nah, the shithouse would be lower. Shithouse would be like this. That's the shithouse. But the shithouse is red. So we're going to make it red. Right? Super simple and easy to trade this market. So that'd be the shithouse. But you see that phenomenal pump and what you got going on here in the monthly. That's why I always start as a company rule from the far out time frames, so you can figure out and diagnose, sniff out, and detect where the price came from back there to where it's at now, so you can try to predict into the future where the price action may be going and what the chart may be telling you in the technical world, because we're technical traders, in a super simple and easy way, right? And that's why you start from a far out time frame, get the information and work your way in, so you can make a probability based decision based off what the technicals and the chart is telling you, right? And that's what Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing is all about, and how we figure shit out, right? So now you can see you got a tight constricting down and sideways consolidation. So you had pumping volume, pumping price, right? See that? Pumping volume, pumping price. Let's zoom out a little bit. This is even better. But it had less volume this time than on that initial pump, which is concerning. See this? Down here, it had heavier volume when the price was way down there. But you had pumping volume, phenomenal mooning price, bullish, and then you've had a constricting and crashing volume and a down and sideways consolidation. That's very bullish, right? It's a very bullish. That's a bullish consolidation, right? They can go on for a long time, as you know, if you're in the gold market, but it's concerning that the volume is so much less than it was the last time, but yet the price is so much higher. That leads me to believe there's a lot of leverage in there, right? But this, technically, if you're following it, would be what you're looking for after a phenomenal pump and a consolidation to maybe signify that the run's not over, as you got that overhead resistance, right? And then you diagnose, sniff out, detect the pattern in a super simple and easy way. And then you can kind of see you got some underneath support. This is just jaggedy half-ass because I'm in the car driving to work, right? I'm going to have to let you go here. And that would be a consolidation. And then you would have to determine if that's going to break up or break down, right? And then you would zoom on in to a closer time frame, because now you know where the price was. So now you understand where you're at when you zoom in for a super simple and easy trading setup and strategy and philosophy with Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing technical trading strategies, right? And remember, those videos will be available soon for pocket change, 25 bucks, right? Not a lot of money, pocket change. But now you can see your overhead resistance if you're trading in this until this breaks. But the pattern's got another month and a half, 2 months. It comes up here. Most likely it's going to sell and come back down here and then come back up until the pattern breaks, right? So that's what you're going to watch for in the Theta. Like, subscribe, and share. Remember, these classes are coming. I'm going to teach you, yes, you, how to be a wonderful, one-of-a-kind, probability-based technical trader. Keep your emotions out of it. Get a game plan. Learn how to look at the charts to understand what the chart is trying to tell you. Turn that into a solid probability-based philosophy to technically trade the profitability and high step and audible and juke and fleeced, heist, and chiced the criminal gangster cartel, right? Peace and love, peace and love.